How to make roach bait gel. There are over 4,000 different species of cockroaches living throughout the world's warm climates, including in the United States. These unwanted visitors can carry several types of germs and diseases, and they cause irritation to asthma sufferers. A homemade cockroach bait gel can be made with a few household items that are safe for pets and children, but lethal to these pesky intruders. Things you'll need: 2 tablespoons borax, 1 tablespoon sugar, medium-sized bowl, 1 tablespoon unflavored gelatin, water, index cards. Pour 2 TBSP, 20 ml borax and 1 TBSP sugar into a medium-sized bowl. Add 1 TBSP and flavored gelatin and 2 TBSP water to the mixture. Continue stirring and adding water until a gelatin consistency forms. Spread the gel on several index cards, and place the cards throughout the home or anywhere cockroaches have been seen. Allow the index cards to sit for 2 to 3 days, and replace them with freshly baited cards, if necessary. The sweet smell of the sugar attracts roaches to the bait, and the borax they ingest kills them.